When I'm in the streets, I'm on angles. In a place in the city that I can't go. And the bitch wanna fuck for the bank rolls, cause I got bank rolls. And I'm in the bank when the bank closed. You selling work wasn't quick enough, so I started robbing niggas, make them give it up. Hitting licks, I was applying for a big house. Out in Cali with the pounds, told them ship it out. But if it's too much work, we'll take the trip. So much work, I'ma make it flip. 100 cash, I just make sure.
Little bit of a pre-ride snack, you know? Oh, I'm losing balance. All right, let's get to grubbing. Oh, the geese are back. Pretty good, not gonna lie. Solid 8 out of 10. Could be better. A lot of peanut butter, not enough jelly. Casual. If you don't eat and ride, what are you doing? Finish up this sandwich and then we'll get to some combos. All right, what's up everyone? Coming back with a new video. It's pretty nice out, you know, not too windy. I'm feeling it. So yeah, we're just gonna do some combos, see what goes on in the day. And yeah, stay tuned if I wanna listen to this. We're gonna listen to some Chef G today. Maybe we'll switch it up later, but I'm gonna listen to this song first and then I'm gonna put it on shuffle. All right. Oh, first slip of the day. Woo! Woo! Not gonna lie, Chef G had me in my bag, so I'm gonna put some more Chef G on. All right, let's get to it. First try. That last comment was first try too. Oh. Woo! First try. Woo! Dang, I put my foot down. Woo! Here we go. Oh! Ooh, that hurt. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. Ah. Ah. Woo! Whoa! Keep that up. Ah! Keep it up. Whoa! Ah! Whoa! Oh! Alright, thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like what you saw, leave a like. And if you guys want more content like this, subscribe if you haven't already. And what the heck? Yeah, subscribe, comment what you want to see, and we'll get to it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you.